Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Loosen the captive screw that secures the puck antenna cover to the chassis. Remove the puck antenna cover to access the bolts on the puck antenna cable. Loosen the bolts on the puck antenna cable. Disconnect the puck antenna cable from the SMA antenna connector on the chassis. Loosen the screw securing the side cover, and slide the cover off the system to remove it. Find the wireless module. Remove the screw that secures the wireless card bracket. Lift the wireless card bracket off. Disconnect the antenna cables from the connectors on the wireless card. Slide and remove the wireless card from the slot. Identify the SMA antenna module. Remove the SMA antenna module cables from the routing guides on the chassis. Remove the screw that secures it. Push the SMA antenna module inward, and then lift it upward and away from the mounting points. To reinstall the SMA antenna, insert the SMA antenna module through the opening at the back of the chassis. Replace the screw, M3X3, that secures the SMA module assembly to the chassis. Route the SMA antenna module cables through the routing guides on the chassis. Slide the wireless card at an angle into the wireless card slot. Connect the antenna cables to the connectors on the wireless card. Place the wireless card bracket on the wireless card. Replace the screw that secures the bracket. Place the side cover on the chassis by aligning the tabs on the side cover with the slots on the chassis. Slide the side cover towards the rear of the computer. Tighten the screw. To reinstall the external puck antenna module, align and connect the puck antenna cables to the SMA antenna connectors on the chassis. Tighten the bolts on the puck antenna cable to secure the external puck antenna to the chassis. Slide and push the puck antenna cover into its slots until it clicks into its place. Tighten the captive screw to secure the puck antenna cover to the chassis. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.